Well, this morning there was a ribbon cutting for a new Composites bridge that was recently installed in Morgan County. It's a unique bridge. It's located along Elizabeth Church Road in Lansing. Local leaders and UT Chancellor Dondi Plowman were there for the ribbon cutting. The Composites Institute tells us the bridge is equipped with fiber optic sensors by UT researchers to measure performance. Plus, we're told it has a 100-year lifespan.
We're very excited today. It's the ribbon cutting for the fiber reinforced bridge, the first one in Tennessee. And today we showcased the technology. It's a fiber reinforced polymer that makes a very lightweight bridge structure that we can install very quickly.
Yeah, this was a great event today. You know, after a year of getting this project going, building the parts and seeing it all come together, it was great because we see the finished product. But even more importantly, the speakers today were really inspirational.
Well, I think it's just a representation here in Morgan County of what public and private partnership looks like. We've seen, institutions, universities, public and private companies come alongside a rural community to meet a need and to display and deploy technology.
It's really high tech. I think the analogy of a smart TV to this smart bridge is really apt. We have cameras working on it, we have sensors, we have flags in the software that can actually tell us, hey, something's gone wrong. And then generally it can also just inform us how to make bridges better. I would say we had about 20 research students from the University of Tennessee.
This is an amazing opportunity where we can do real-world application, actually service a community that's really needing this type of application and really bridge, no pun intended, the actual academic as well as the industrial experience.
As we continue to look at ways to expand this technology, I think events like this that give us the opportunity to display the technology to a broader audience will hopefully lead to other state agencies and government agencies coming on board with us to help us to further deploy this technology in the future.
So there's a real story here of the government-private partnership, and we want to make sure the government sees that this connection can happen, and we want to make it more purposeful. If we're going to redo bridges, we don't want to do it the old way. We need to be using these new advanced technologies, moves production into the factory, out of the field, creates American jobs, speeds up construction, and brings a durable infrastructure solution that's going to last over a lifetime.